Hi, it's Just Crafty Chantel. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to run through the Spellbinders Club Creativity Starts Here card kit of the month, and this is August 2022 Butterfly Sparkle. So let's just take a look at what we have in the box that I have yet to open. So we have our card blanks and card and envelopes. Then we have layered butterfly stickers, 8 of those. Then we have some stickers with sentiments. Enjoy, hey, today, you, wish. So you can combine those to make words. Some stamps that have the butterfly theme. These are some additional stickers that are in like cardboard. Spellbinders is always fun. So you have some sequins, double-sided tape and foam tape, die cut shapes. Then we have our 5x5 paper pad. Let's take a look at what's in here. So you have 2 of each, and they're back to back. They used to be one set and then a second set. Some with gold foiling. Your black and whites, black, white, and pink. Oh, that's very pretty. Okay, this is just our card, our inspiration card, and also telling us what we have in the kit. This die looks so much bigger on this card, like it's a whole card, but it's really just a topper, I would say. And then you have smile often, your butterflies, stars for your dies, and then you have some cardstock here. So there's the typical gold, you have a couple of shades of blue, a couple shades of pink, gray, black, white, and cream. So pretty straightforward kit. Let's see what we can make. So let's just take a look at some inspiration for this box. So what we've done here is we've used the gold, blue, and gold foiled paper with some of the stickers, and then we've decoupaged the telephone because you get 2 die cuts, and added a sentiment and gold stamp that says always believe something amazing is about to happen. And then for our next piece of inspiration, we used the pink cardstock and matte and layered it with the butterfly paper. And then we fussy cut this flower out because I didn't really like the flower stickers that were in this kit. I added a bow from my stash, and I love these vellum translucent butterflies. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this is just one of the card toppers. And then last but not least, we also used one of the card toppers to create this card using the black, pink, and then black and pink patterned paper. Fussy cut around this flower here. Today is your day. and used one of the gray stickers or butterfly die cuts that was in the kit. So this is just some inspiration for you from the Spellbinders card kit of the month, August 2022, Butterfly Sparkle. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and share with your other crafty friends. Until next time, this is just Crafty Chantel.